Problem 67. Cherie cut 4 congruent triangles off the corners of a rectangle to make an octagon, as shown below. What is the area of the shaded octagon? We have that the area of the rectangle is base times height, which is 16 times 9. That's 9 times 6 is 54. 9 plus 5, 14. That's 144 centimeters squared. Each one of these triangles is 2 times 2 divided by 2. 2 times 2 is 4, divided by 2 is 2. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8 centimeters squared minus 8 centimeters squared. The answer is going to be 136 centimeters squared. B. Problem 68. Eliza divided the staircase figure below into rectangles to help determine its area. All measurements are in millimeters. What is the total area of the figure? So we see that we have sizes of 5, 5, 5, 5 up, 5 horizontal, 5 vertical, 5 horizontal. This is 5 times 5, that's 25. 5 times 10, that's 50. 5 times 15, 75. And 5 times 20, that's 100. 175, these two, plus 75, $250 millimeters squared. The answer is C. Problem 69. What is the volume of the rectangular solid shown below? So we know that the volume of a rectangular prism is length times width times height. In this case we have 5 times 3 times 2. 5 times 3 is 15, times 2 is 30 inches cubed. The answer is C. Problem 70. Jason is 72 inches tall. Which measurement does not describe Jason's height? So we have that 1 foot is 12 inches. So we have right here that this is the same as 12 times 6, that's 72 inches. So this is 7 feet, so the answer is B. Problem 71. Look at the coordinate grid below. Points R and S will be added to the grid to form rectangle PQRS with an area of 20 square units. Which order pair could be the coordinates of points R and S? So, in order to make a rectangle PQRS that has 20 square units, we would say 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. We can have these 2 points make a rectangle with an area of 20, or these 2 points PQRS make a rectangle with an area of 20 square units. This point is 1, 7. We don't see a 7 here at all. So 1, -3, we see it right here. And 5, -3, we see it right there. The answer is C. Problem 72. In the figure below, D is the midpoint of AC and BD is perpendicular to AC. So D is the midpoint of AC. That means that this is 15 centimeters and this is another 15. And BD is perpendicular to AC. That's already noted right here. And they want to know what's the length of BD. So we have a right triangle, and we have that a squared plus 15 squared is 25 squared. So a squared plus 15 times 15 is 225, and 25 times 25, that's 625. So a squared is 625 minus 225. A squared is 400. The square root of a squared equals the square root of 400. A equals 20. So the length of BD is 20 centimeters. The answer is D. Problem 73. What is the length of YC? So we have a problem like the one we just saw. What is the length of this side? This is B and this is C. Have a right triangle. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. A squared plus 8 squared equals 17 squared. A squared plus 64 equals 289. A squared equals 289 minus 64. A squared equals 225. The square root of a squared equals the square root of 225. A equals 15. The answer is B. Problem 74. In the figure below, A, B, and CD are perpendicular. What is the perimeter of triangle ABC? So we can see that this drawing looks pretty much to scale. 14, this is a little longer, this is a little shorter than 14. So I'm going to guess that, let's say for example that this is, let's say this is about 2. So if this is 12 and I go like this over here, this is a little bit more than 12. So let's say it's 13. So I have 14 plus 15 plus 13. 4 plus 5 is 9. Plus 3 is 12. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm guessing it's approximately 42. Yes, the answer is C. Problem 76. The box and whisker plot below represents the daily high temperatures at a beach in April. What was the median daily high temperature? From the study of box and whisker plots, we see that the lowest temperature was 62. The highest temperature was 84. The lower median is 68. The upper median is 78. And the median of the whole set of data is 72. The answer is B. Problem 78. The following data represent the number of years different students in a certain group have gone to school together. These data are shown on the box and whisker plot below. So again, from our study of mean, median, and mode, and box and whisker plot, we see that the median is 12. Problem 79. The table shows the number of turkey and ham sandwiches sold by Derby's Deli for several days in 1 week. What is the difference between the median number of turkey sandwiches sold and the median number of ham sandwiches sold? So we put these numbers in order. For turkey we have 7, 8, 12, 13, 15. The median is 12. And for ham we have 6, 8, 9, 11, 16. The median is 9. The difference between the turkey and ham medians is 3. The answer is D. Problem 80. Jared scored the following number of points in his last 7 basketball games. What is the median number of points scored by Jared in these 7 games? So to find the median, we're going to put these numbers in order. We have a 2, 2, 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9, 15, 15, and 21. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 games in order. The median is 9. The answer is A.